adjusting balances. Need for adjustments. We need to adjust all the items in the accounts of the company so that the actual and true financial status of the company can be given to the stakeholders. The accrual concept of accounting says that the expenses and income should be recorded in the period they occur. It does not matter whether they are made in cash or not. There may be some incomes or expenses that are adjusted in the current year but may relate to previous year. So, we need to adjust all these entries to have a clear view of the financial statements of a company. For example, we get a salary of the month of March 2018 in April 2018. So the salary account of March 2018 does not include salary of March and will be forwarded to next month as outstanding salaries and will be debited from the profit and loss account. Let us discuss the items that need adjustments. Closing stock. The closing stock is the stock of goods that are not sold by the end of the financial accounting year and kept in the store. The adjustment of those goods are done in accounts. By credited the closing stock in the trading and profit and loss account by showing it in the asset side of the balance sheet. The adjustment entry in this case would be closing stock account debited to trading account at times when the opening and closing stock are adjusted from purchases. Then, the adjustment entry would be closing stock account debited to purchases account debited to opening stock account.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.